being on the main highways, protesting. Guys, I got no luck finding the thing. बाइक है पता नहीं चलती जैसे स्पोर्ट्स बाइक है, नॉर्मल बाइक है, छोटी छोटी बाइकों में LEDs दे देते हैं.
We make the streams louder.
तो गाइस आज का व्लॉग शुरू करते हैं. तो हेलो यूट्यूब, आई एम बैक विथ अनदर वीडियो. आई एम गोना बाई समथिंग टुडे, so I'm headed out to purchase the thing. अब यूट्यूबर हुए हैं तो खर्चा तो होएगा ही गाइस. तो यूट्यूबर बने तो खर्चा है तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Because the love and support you're showing guys. So I'm gonna purchase that. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna purchase or where I'm going. So guys just stay tuned. पूरा ब्लॉग देख के जाना, पूरी वीडियो देख के जाना. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hi teacher, no. I don't know anything because I have a tail tidy. मुझे नहीं जाना था टीचर में. So guys, I'm headed to Dhaba Gardens, but I'm not gonna tell what I'm gonna buy. You just have to wait and watch the vlog till you come to know what am I gonna buy. And it's for me, and maybe it can be used for the bike also. It depends on me that if I wanna use it on the bike or I wanna use it at my home for my personal things. Guys, I hope everyone's safe due to COVID and is maintaining social distancing and use of sanitizers and the masks. And I hope the farmers' protest come to an end very soon. Because not only the farmers but also the cops, I mean they are also humans. And they are also risking their lives being on the road, being on the main highways, protesting against, trying to clear out windy guys. हवा बहुत है. I don't know why. And it's not cold anymore here. Like it's moderate. It's not cold. Not it's hot. मगर हाँ शाम को ठीक है. It's fine. मगर दोपहर के time till afternoon it's moderate. It's not so cold. Not so hot. I don't know why people don't trip their bikes. reaction से I like it. Guys, I got no luck finding the thing which I was searching for. We are going to another कुछ और देखने जा रहे हैं, like compared to that thing which is compatible to that. So let's see if we could find. He was like, you can get it over here. Yeah guys, you're correct. I'm here for amplifiers. I'm here for an amplifier, guys. So let's see if we can get anything over here, if we have any luck over here finding it. As you can see, एक bullet पे he's wrapping the whole bike, नई bike को लेके he's wrapping it. So guys, here also I didn't find any luck. They were like, get the speakers, or they were like, get the speakers, या तो फिर get the photo or else the watt of it. I already have the speakers, right? I just need an amplifier. So let's see guys, maybe I'll be back in a day or so with the speakers, or I'll take a picture of the speakers and I'll be back. So guys, there was no luck today. Oh no, मतलब पीछे खड़ गया. So we have to stop here only. यहीं रुकना था क्या? Police uncle, सूचना रूम से लगी दुखी मेरे आंटी रुक जाओ. Let me go. Then you can go. Okay, I'll beep that. I have to beep that in editing क्योंकि family भी देखती है. Everyone sees my vlogs and I get the tunnel again. आग में कुछ चले गया. वाइजर डाउन नहीं था. चले गया. Let's close the visor. Guys, I'm thinking to take another bike, so please do comment down below and let me know. I'm looking for a later class super sports bike, so please let me know which bike should I take, and अगर लिया तो कौन सी बाइक लेना है. So please let me know below in the comments and tell me the reason which bike and why should I take that bike. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. I couldn't find the amplifier which I was looking for. I had great expectations, but वहाँ जाके चुम्मा हो गया हम लोग का. Let's see, I'll take the photo or I'll take the speakers and I'll show him, and let's see what happens after that. So guys, this is Fastto signing off, and we'll be back with many more updates on the bike. Stay tuned, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you are still watching the video, don't forget to like the video and एक अच्छा सा comment भी दे दो. Okay, so bye bye.